Good morning, students. Today we will learn about the comfort and comfort devices. So, what is the meaning of comfort? So, any problems or pain which are affect our body and physically as well as mentally. So, it will be impact on our health and body. So, what is comfort? Comfort is defined as the content or enjoyment in physical or mental well-being. Okay, so physically as well as mentally we are fit or feel free, means freedom from any pain, anxiety, injury, okay, any trouble. So we have totally relaxed into the comfort zone. Okay, so it is known as a comfort, means away from any trouble, any free anxiety and pain. So freedom from all this kind of the criteria. So which will be known as a comfort. So this is most important in every person's life because everyone have to be physically as well as a mentally relaxed and comfort for focusing and enjoying the life. Okay, so it is very important for comfort. Then what are the factors that influence the factors, means how the comfort will be affected by some factors. First of all, in definition, we already learned that away from any pain, trouble, trauma. Okay, so if person having the some kind of the pain, okay, then it will be a major problem or factor for influencing the comfort zone. Second one, that is a physically, because we already discussed that enjoyment for physically as well as a mentally. So if we can't able to do our self activity or any restriction of our body parts or movement, then we can't feel comfort. So restriction of movements which will affect to the physical comfort. So that is also factors. Then wrinkled, soiled or wet sheets, means wrinkle. So some kind of wrinkles on skin due to sheets or soiled and wet sheet which affect our comfort. Then improper arrangement of the pillows, means if we use many pillows, then it will affect to our body parts and mobility. So our body alignment will not be maintained. So in that case, comfort will not be maintained. Then delayed or inadequate attention to meet personal needs such as cleanliness, elimination, nourishment, etc. So if we are not proper taking food intake, okay, so it will alter to the cleanliness also, intake and output, means elimination, nourishment. So due to the inadequate personal needs, person having a problem and can't satisfy proper comfortness. Then lack of exercise, because our body parts have a many joints and bones and ligaments. So they have to be maintained in proper mobility and alignment. So doing regular exercise, it will be maintained. But otherwise, lack of exercise can cause our comfortness. Next, that is the temperature extremes, means due to the weather changes, atmosphere changes, temperature will be altered. Okay. So in that case, temperature also cause for the alternate, because in our body changes like chemical or mechanically. So physically as well as mentally, temperature will be affect on our body. It will impact on our body. Next, that is the inadequate ventilations of lungs. Means due to the lack of airway exchanges, it will be impact on our lungs. So due to improper ventilation or airway clearance, person having a difficulty of the breathing and it will affect to the lungs. Then dehydration, means lack of liquid, okay, lack of electrolyte balance in our body. So it will impact on comfortness also, because due to the dehydration, person having the chances of weakness, giddiness, okay, so feel very low. So that will be effect on comfort. Then indigestion. If person having a food intake less or any problem due to the food intake or output, then it will cause for the indigestion. Then irregular bowel movements, it will also related to the indigestion. So these all are affect to the comfortness also. Then an uncomfortable position. Yes, this is very important. Why? Because if person having a work or job like continuous sitting or continuous standing position, it will affect on our some body major body parts like eye strain or back pain, okay, or muscle spasm. So that kind of the major problem will occurs due to uncomfortable position. So it will be affect on our comfortness of body and not proper maintain body alignment. So these all due to the uncomfortable position also. Next, that is the too bright light or too glares. Means if too darkness is there or too lightness is there, person having a problem for vision also. It will affect on comfort. Then lack of sleep, because if person having a lack of sleep, then they can't focus or concentrate on particular work, okay. So it will affect on the body as well as the mind. So both physically and mentally it will be distract to the person. So these all are factors which are affect on our comfortness physically as well as mentally. So these all are avoided so that we can focus on our work and also feel comfort and enjoy the life, okay. Because due to this kind of the basic problem will occur major also. So in that case we have to avoid it or prevent it priorly. So these all are factors which influence our comfortness, okay. Next, that is the noise from service room, kitchen, telephone, loud talking, whispering. These all are also affect on comfortness. Why? Because if person is talking too loudly, okay, noise like kitchen or any factory side or any whispering or telephonic, it will affect to the person and patient also. These all are mainly affect to the ill person or sick patient. Then fear and anxiety due to the illness. Yes, if person having a very pain or sadness, then some kind of the fear and anxiety due to the sickness or illness also. Then feeling insecurity. If person having some problem due to the security, then that will affect on the comfort also. Then interruption of daily routines, means if person having used to with their daily life and daily routines, but due to some distraction in daily routines, they will be distracted from their daily work and can't focus onto the routine work. So interruption of that will be affect on comfortness also. So these all are points which are affected directly or indirectly onto the comfort to particular patient or person. So how we can reduce these kind of the factors or how we can feel comfort to ourselves, okay. So some devices we can use for our comfortness. So today we will discuss that comfort devices, okay. So first of all, these this is the list of comfort devices, okay. So first of all, that is the back rest. Second one, knee rest. Third one, that is foot rest. Fourth one, bed cradles. Fifth one, bed blocks. Seven, sandbags, air cushions, rubber and cotton rings, and air and water mattress. So now you can see that comfort will also affect on our particular body parts or movement, okay. So for particular body part, we can use particular comfort devices which provide proper comfortness and maintain proper body alignment so that we can reduce the problems, okay. So like a knee rest, footrest, bed rest, okay, bed blocks, backrest. So these all are particular device for providing comfort to the person. So one by one we will discuss these all comfort devices. First of all, that is the backrest. So what is the backrest? So in figure you can see that this is the backrest, means person can take support his or her back from supporting this kind of the material or device which put under the back. Okay, so it is a mechanical device which provides the support for the client in sitting position also. Means suppose a person having in a sitting position, we can apply the back rest under the back, so they provide the support for back. Okay, and not any strain or pressure will apply on the back, so they can feel relaxed and comfort by providing the back rest. So this is the back rest, and it will be a mechanical devices so that person can relax. See, in bed also we can apply the back rest, means this is the how person can in sitting position and how we can apply the backrest to the person on bed. Means in this area there will be a handle for up and down of the backrest, so person can feel relaxed and comfort by themselves also. Okay, so this is about the backrest. Second one, that is the knee rest. So what is the knee rest? It may be substituted by the pillow. Means if person can also helping or assisting by the pillow also and feel relaxed by the applying of the pillow, but substitute of the pillow means along of the pillow we can use the knee rest also. So it gives the relaxation of the muscles and relieve the pain of the patient and abdominal muscles and tendon beneath of knees. Okay, so particular pressure and pain will be relieved from the knee part. Note, specially note will be given for the knee rest, means many doctors do not allow the knee pillows because of the fear of thrombus formation or pulmonary embolism. So change of position at frequent interval is very necessary. Yes, this is the specially advice from the doctor side that person or patient can't take a knee pillows because having the chances of the thrombosis or embolisms, means clotting of the blood or air format. Okay, air formation or blood clotting factor will be clot in that particular part of the knee, so doctors are not allow for applying the knee pillows. So in that case, we can apply the knee rest and also advise doctor for the frequently changes the position interval, means particular time by time every half an hour or 45 minutes we can change our position. Okay, so this is the use of the knee rest. See, in this figure also you find out the knee rest, means this is the back rest. So person can feel relaxed and relieve pain from back, and this is the knee rest. So we can hang out our knees from this rest and feeling relaxed and relieve the pain. See, in this figure also woman having applying the knee rest. So they can relax their knee part. Okay. Third one, that is the foot rest. So in this device, the feet rest firmly against it, means feet will be relaxed in particular position. It will help to maintain the normal position of the feet at right angle to the leg. Means from the leg we can right angle or proper position by applying the foot rest. Then it is also provided for the people in the office work to support the lower extremities. Yes, because in job area or work area, person having the many kind of the workload, and due to the workload we can't frequently change our position or we can't proper take care of ourselves. So in that case, we can relieve our pain or pressure, and especially for the lower extremity, we can apply the foot rest. Then it is used for the comfort and prevent foot drops. Yes, if person having the problem of foot drops, we can prevent it by the applying the foot rest. Okay, and they can feel relaxed and relief and comfort. Hard pillows, sandbags of footboard, etc. may be substituted. Yes, because it can affect to the person other side or other body parts also. So hard pillows, sandbags all should be avoided, and we can apply footrest. Okay. See in this figure, footrest is shown. Okay. So these all are the comfort devices we can use. Okay. In next session, we will discuss another devices also. Okay. So you learn it and revise these all devices. And if you find any doubt, you may notify to me. Okay. So thank you.